Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I've collaborated with two other YouTubers. We are going to make Swahili snack. I'll be making cassava fried karai, and Cook with Rania is going to make kachori recipe, and Husna Laltia is going to make spinach bajia, known as pakora spinach in another name. If you haven't subscribed to their YouTube channels, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of their videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need garam flour, cassava cut into small pieces, and some salt. In a medium pot, add the cassava in the pot, then sprinkle a bit of salt and some water. Then cover the cassava to cook on a medium heat till soft. After about 15 to 20 minutes, check if your cassava are soft, and if yes, remove the cassava from the fire. In a medium bowl, you're going to add the garam flour, then sprinkle a bit of salt and mix the two ingredients very well. Then pour some water. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing till you get a smooth paste. The mixture of the garam flour has to be like this, then your mixture is ready. So the next step, you're going to add the cassava into the garam flour. Make sure you've removed the water from the cassava and mix the cassava with the garam flour very well. The next step, you're going to deep fry the cassava. Make sure the oil is hot. Then afterwards, dip the cassava slowly by slowly and cook the cassava on a medium heat till well cooked. Shuffle the cassava around so they can cook evenly to have an amazing color. Once your cassava is well cooked and have this amazing color, then your cassava is ready, and remove them from the oil and place them on a plate. The remaining cassava, I'm going to mash it using my hands. Then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of chili powder. Then I'm going to squeeze a half a lime and mix everything well. Once you're done mixing everything well, then afterwards shape them into small balls as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, dip the cassava balls into the garam flour mixture and mix everything well and slowly. The next step, deep fry the cassava balls in the oil and cook them on a medium heat till well cooked. Once your cassava karais are well cooked and they have this amazing color, then your cassava karais are ready, and remove them from the oil and place them on a plate. And my cassava karais are ready, as you can see in the video. I've placed them on a serviette so that the oil gets into the serviette. And my tasty fried cassava karais are ready, as you can see in the video. These snacks are so tasty. You can eat with some tamarind sauce, with some mango chili, and enjoyed your fried cassava karai. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. Please don't forget to watch spinach bhajia from Husna Laltia and kachori recipe from Cook with Rania. I'll put the links in the description box so you can able to see Swahili snacks. And please kindly don't forget to subscribe to their YouTube channel so you don't get to miss any of their videos each and every week. And thank you once again. Bye bye.